Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about profile creation and off-page SEO technique. And what exactly do I mean by profile creation? I will clearly explain you. Now we do have the business called Click and Capture Studio, right? We deal with wedding, model and product photography. So that we want to create our business profile on some other websites so that our profile will be visible to all the public around the globe. Now when we create our profile in other websites, which allows us to create a business profile in their website, we can get the do follow backlinks to our website, and it is one of the best link building techniques where we can create a profile on different platforms for our business listing, and then we can increase the brand awareness of our business. Now quickly I want to navigate to Google, and then I want to search exactly profile creation sites, and it will pull all the list of profile creation sites right here. Maybe I can see one of the website and I want to click on the very first website, and then I want to scroll down a little bit, and before that I want to close this particular tab and I want to scroll down, and here we can see 100 plus profile creation sites with a high domain authority and page authority in 2024. About.me, Academia, Gravatar, Dig, TED and so on. There are so many profile creation websites that we can see, and it is very easy to find. Maybe I want to choose any one of the website, and in my case I want to choose Gravatar, and then I want to navigate to Google, and then I want to search for Gravatar. It takes me to the page, and here we can clearly see that we can create our profile for free and where we can update our business avatar. And let me click on this particular website. It takes me to the page, and if we already have the profile, then we can directly click on login. If not, if we are using this particular website for the very first time, we have to create an account, and also we can create our own profiles in this particular website. Here we can see the name, the designation and whatever the social media platforms that they have, the links to them, and then some of the description about the users, and then also we can see some of the contact information and the financial information. So it is very much important and very useful for our business to be on profile creation website, which will help to get the traffic, which will increase the page authority, domain authority, and then the online visibility of our business. So what I want to do, I want to click on get started now. I want to click here. It takes me to the page, and it will ask me to choose the email address. And always remember that Gravatar website will recognize us by email ID instead of name. And also here we can clearly see that this particular website is being used by 200 plus million users. So quickly I want to take the copy of the Click and Capture Studio email from the notepad. Let me find where it is. Exactly here it is. I want to take the copy, and then I want to paste it right here. And once I paste it, I want to click on continue. Now it has sent an email for the confirmation. So quickly I want to open a new tab. I want to navigate to Gmail, and then I want to open the email that have been sent by Gravatar. And here we do have the code. I want to take the copy of the code. I want to close the Gmail, and then I want to paste it right here. And now I want to click on continue. And here it is asking us to start with the name. Start customizing your profile by entering the name you would like displayed. You can always update it later. Either we can click on do it later, or maybe we can enter the name. And in my scenario, I want to enter the name Click and Capture Studio. So that I want to paste it right here, and then I want to click on continue. And it is asking me to update the global avatar, and once we upload, it will be visible all over the globe. Now we are uploading our profile related to the business, right? And which means we wanted to show our business to the public, and it will increase the trust, and if they really like the services that we provide, they will come to our website through the backlinks that we provide, and then we can get the traffic and leads. So it is always important to upload the image. It will gain the trust to the users. I want to click on upload image, and I have chosen the image, and then I want to click on done. So it is very simple. Now we can clearly see that claim your custom domain free for 1 year, make your profile yours. Click and Capture Studio.bio. Maybe if we claim the domain now, after 1 year we have to start paying, but I do not want to purchase anything right now because I have so many other stuff where I am paying in a monthly subscription. So now I want to click on do it later. And now it is the time for us to increase the trust of our profile. We have to fill each and every information from the left side tab so that all our business details will be entered in this particular areas, and our business profile will be created on this particular profile creation site, and it will be be very easy. First thing, I want to focus on about, and here it is asking me to enter the display name where we have already entered Click and Capture Studio, and then about me, which means we want to tell something about the business to the people who visit our profile. Now what we want to do, we have to type something about Click and Capture Studio. I want to quickly take the copy of the things that I have already written, and then I want to paste it right here. Click and Capture Studio provides top quality wedding photography in Hyderabad. We capture beautiful moments with passion and creativity. So anybody who reads the description will be able to understand what this particular business is about. And then it is asking, let the people know how your name sounds like. Somebody don't know how to pronounce, right? So we have to even keep the pronunciation if we really have Click and Capture Studio. I want to take the copy and then I want to paste it right here. And also it is asking for us to enter the pronouns. We can indicate Click and Capture Studio as it. So I just want to take the copy and I want to paste it. And when it comes to the location, Click and Capture Studio is located in Hyderabad, India. So I want to take the copy of the location name and then I want to paste it right here. And now I want to scroll down a little bit. It is asking me to enter the job title. So what I want to do, I want to give the title of this particular service a job as wedding photographer, and I want to paste it right here. And when it comes to the name of the company, it is going to be Click and Capture Studio. I want to take the copy of the name and then I want to paste it right here. And once it is done, I can click on Save Changes. Profile updated successfully and we can view the profile. But there are few other stuff that we have to do. Now I want to quickly click on the back, and now we have filled the about, right? It is the time for us to update the avatar. Let me click on avatar. We have already updated. I can see it here. So if you do not update it before, all you have to do is you have to click on upload image, and then you have to upload your logo or the avatar from your laptop or computer or even from the mobile phone. And once it is done, we have to go back. And then we do have an option where we can update the verified accounts. If we have a Facebook for our business, we can click on Facebook, and if we have a LinkedIn, we can click on LinkedIn, so that all our social media profiles will be visible on this particular profile. Now if I click on Facebook, it takes me to the page where I can click on Connect Facebook, and here I have to enter my credentials. Right now I just want to show you how the interface looks like, but these details I want to fill it later. So I want to click on cancel, and then I want to come back, and then again I want to come back, so that I want to click on links. And here is the place where we can add the website link, and it will act as a backlink, which is very much important. So I want to click on add link, and then the URL is going to be the Click and Capture Studio homepage. I have already taken the copy in the notepad. I want to scroll down a little bit, and then I want to take the copy of the URL, which is clickandcapturestudio.com. And if you want to update any image that needs to be displayed, we can upload that image. For now I do not want to upload any image, and I want to enter the title. Now the Click and Capture Studio is all about the photography related to wedding, right? The primary business focus. So I want to keep the title as Click and Capture Studio Best Wedding Photography in Hyderabad. I want to paste it right here, and once it is done, I want to come back to the notepad, and then I want to take the copy of the description which I have written for Click and Capture Studio. And as we can see, since we have not uploaded any of the image, it by default directly takes the image based on the URL that we have posted. This is the home page of the Click and Capture Studio, right? I want to quickly open a new tab, and then I want to navigate to clickandcapturestudio.com, and here you can see the home page of Click and Capture Studio looks like. And this is what exactly by default it has been taken when we have not uploaded the image. I want to scroll down. I think we have filled all the information in this particular page. Now let me click on add. Now we do have the link which redirects to the website, and then I want to click on back. Now once it is done, there is an option called interest, and here we can add interest. Now the Click and Capture Studio is all about wedding photography, model, event photography, and so on, right? So we have to be very careful while we are adding this particular section. All we have to do is we have to enter the keyword and click on enter, and then we have to repeat for all the list that we have providing the services for wedding photography, wedding videography, and then event photography, and so on. So just give me 1 minute of time, and I will copy and paste all of this information. Alright, I have added all the information, and then I want to scroll down a little bit. So all good for now. I want to click on back. And once we have completed this information, we have to enter to the next topic, which is contact info, where we have to enter the email, phone, contact form, and even the calendar information. Now I want to fill the email, and in our scenario it is going to be studioclickandcapture@gmail.com. I want to paste it right here, and then I want to click on add. We can see the email has been added successfully, and then I want to include the contact number, either the home phone, work phone, and mobile phone. Since Click and Capture Studio is a business, I want to choose the option work phone, and I want to click on this option, and here I want to paste the contact number of Click and Capture, which is 814-3937-367. I want to paste it, and then I want to click on add. It is asking me to enter a valid phone number, so what I want to do, I want to remove the country code, and then I want to give a try. By clicking on add, the phone number has been updated successfully. Now I want to click on back, or maybe if I really wanted to add the contact form, if I have the contact form on my website, I can do that. So what I want to do, I want to click on contact form, and here it is asking us to copy the URL which redirects to our website, which is a very good thing, right? It is one of the backlink that we are getting from creating a business profile on a profile creation site like Gravatar. So what I want to do, I want to navigate to the Click and Capture Studio, and here we do have a page called book now, but unfortunately I have not placed any of the form. But what is the main purpose of people filling the forms? They want to ask us something, or maybe they want to talk to us something about the services that we are providing. So what I have did, I have mentioned the WhatsApp number, and they can give the call. So instead of filling the forms, I have directly asking them to text us on WhatsApp. So I want to take the copy of this particular URL, and then I want to come back to Gravatar website, and then I want to paste the URL here, and then I want to click on add. It will act as a backlink. Now I want to click on the back, and finally if we want to add some wallet information, since we are staying in India, we do not have the rupee value, and it is asking us Bitcoin, PayPal and something. Now I do not want to enter any of the financial information, so quickly I want to click on photos option, and then I want to upload few of the images that are related to the business of Click and Capture Studio. And here we have to upload the images in the format JPEG, PNG and GIF, and also they are keeping the restrictions like the max image size should not exceed 5 MB. So we have to keep these things in mind, and then we have to upload the images. And from these images, maybe I want to choose any one of the image. I want to choose this, and then I want to click on open. And here it is stating that your image exceeds 5 MB, please use a smaller file. I want to again give a try by clicking on upload new image. Maybe I want to try this one, and then I want to click on open. Alright, all these images are of high quality and taken in a professional photo camera. So these images are exceeding 5 MB. I want to work out later on this, but I hope you clearly understand how we can build a profile using a profile creation website like Gravatar. And here we can clearly see, right, the avatar of Click and Capture Studio, the name of the business, and then the designation, wedding photographer, and then the location and the pronunciation and some of the description details. And if I scroll down a little bit, and here we can see the links which redirects to Click and Capture Studio website, and here we can see the interest, wedding photography, wedding videography, event photography, and so on. So anybody who watches this particular business profile on web, and if they really like to get in touch with us, they can make a use of the backlinks or the contact information that we have placed here. And also imagine that while we are dealing in business, if we get a call from someone and if they ask us to share our business profile, then directly we can share this particular business ID card. It will act as a business ID card, which is the beauty of the gravatar.com. So all we have to do is we have to click on share, and then we have to click on copy link, then we can share it on WhatsApp, or maybe directly we can click on share on WhatsApp, or even we can send the QR by downloading this QR. It will be very easy and very useful. I hope you clearly understand on how we can create the profile creation and how it will improve the off-page SEO, which brings the traffic to our website, which increases the page authority, domain authority, and page ranking in the SERP page. If you really find this video helpful, I want you to continue watching all my digital marketing classes. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing, where I have did 100+ videos, and it will be short and simple. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.